Good morning. Happy Friday. I hope you guys are having a good day. Um, and I can't wait to see you on Monday. I know that you guys all think that I'm like YouTube famous or whatever. But let me just tell you, this is the third time I've tried to record this video. So let's hope that this is the last time I have to try to do it. So for your PWS today, you're going to open up your assignment. You're going to either be adding the suffix able or the suffix ible to words. So, for example, when I first had this word, it was just flex, and it was right here. So I click on it and I add ible to make flexible. So I'm going to move over here under ible. Maybe when I first saw this, I thought that it was an able word, but I know that when I do that, now there's a red line under it, so it must be spelled wrong. So I can fix it and move it to the right spot. When I've used all of these words and there are none left on the bottom, I'm going to go over to the next slide, and I'm going to use some of my able and my ible words to make sentences. So the example sentence is my teacher said it was acceptable to turn in my missing work on Monday. So maybe I want to use the word flexible, and I can type in my hand is very flexible. So go ahead, complete that, make sure you submit it. And that's all. Have a good weekend, and I will see you all on Monday.